This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my Affiliate Magician review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called Affiliate Magician. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification, and like this video. But before I do this, let me share with you some of the bonuses you get when you buy Affiliate Magician through my affiliate link. 100 killer headline ideas, milk method, snowball traffic, the secret weapon, urgency suit pro, how to make a landing page from scratch, reactor, social media boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, the milk method, traffic machine, the lost code, 25 proven traffic methods, 2,500 high converting email swipes, and other bonuses here that are available for you when you pick up this product through my link. And if you stay with me further, I will explain to you why I am offering you these bonuses. So now, what is this Affiliate Magician all about? It is a detailed step-by-step training program that takes you through the process of learning how to succeed with affiliate marketing the right way. It takes you through the rudimentary and fundamental processes up to even the more complicated, advanced techniques for making it big with affiliate marketing. In the training, you will learn email marketing, you will learn how to set up your funnel and how to nurture your leads. In the training also, the product creator shows you exactly how to identify winning products that you can sell and be sure of making good profits. Well, so now let me take you to the members area. As you can see, this is the members area of the Affiliate Magic. And I tell you, the content creator, Dan, takes his time to give you detailed step-by-step training on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. Here you have the members area. Here it talks about how to set up and select the right products. Here it talks about the value ladder, the tools, and choosing products. Here it talks about Aweber setup. The autoresponder the product creator used for this training essentially is Aweber. Here he talks about the value ladder. If you want to know exactly what this value ladder is all about, you may want to pick up this product to gain more insight on it. Here he talks about the tools and choosing the right product. So as you can see, here is the beginner method where you create your first funnel. It takes you step by step how to create responsive funnels that will work for you. Here also, you have the intermediate method. Here, adding a bridge page, then finishing up, then how to create your sample bridge video. So you can see the training, very simple yet detailed. He takes away from this training every complicated steps and processes that will lengthen your learning curve, and then just takes you through the very basic steps and processes that you need to begin to make money as an affiliate marketer. Here he talks about the advanced method, how you become a magician. If you want to know what this is all about, you may want to pick up this training for more information. Here he talks about the email marketing. Here he gives you breakdown on how to do email marketing and do it right, how to set up your funnels and how to link up your funnels in such a way that your funnels will work for you time after time. Here also, he reveals to you his hidden traffic method, one traffic method that drives him huge sales over and over again. If you stay with me further, I will show you some of his successes using this traffic method. So I tell you, the training is simple, detailed, and it cuts off every complicated steps. Although, in simplifying the learning, he also takes away a lot of other important tips, skills that you should learn if you are doing affiliate marketing. And of course, he has bonuses for you here that you can easily pick up. These are the several bonuses that are available for you here to pick up. Here, this coronavirus cash flow by Johnny Rose is a product that recently launched on Warrior Plus, and he is offering it as one of the bonuses. He also has the Newbie Roadmap by John Newman. So these are all the bonuses that he will be offering you when you pick up this affiliate magician. And don't forget, I also have a couple of bonuses for you. Like I said, I'll be telling you why I'm offering you those bonuses. Now, I haven't gone through this course. There is something I don't like about it, and that is the fact that, one, this course is targeted essentially at newbies, and in creating the landing pages, the product creator uses ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is an amazing software for building funnels. But the problem is that it is quite expensive, especially for newbies who are starting off on a tight budget. But in my bonuses, I'll be offering you, you will learn how to make landing pages from scratch using free tools. So if you pick up this product from me, you will be getting this bonus instead of thinking of how to use ClickFunnels that is quite expensive. Also, in this traffic method that Dan shares with us, it's a paid traffic method. Although from the results he made available, the traffic seems to work, but then it's a paid traffic method. Essentially, it's a solo ad paid traffic method. And again, for those who are just starting out, who are still learning affiliate marketing and on a tight budget, this could be a problem. And so, for that reason, I'm offering you all these bonuses on how to generate traffic, both from free methods and from cheap traffic methods that are quite high quality. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below, and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button, and it will take you to the Affiliate Magician sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down the sales page and click on this button for instant access, you will have the opportunity to buy this training program. As I said, the training is detailed, easy to follow, and quite comprehensive. So now let me take you through the sales page. So it says Affiliate Magician, a proven step-by-step guide to generate income at will. So click by click, 30 to 60 minutes to set up, backed by real users. So it gives you all the strategy to make sales magically, zero tech skills, and to create your own sales machine. No more primitive methods. Stop using tactics that only worked in the past. And then it says use my modern method. Yeah, the method he shows you, modern, yes, and are quite evergreen. This method consistently works. One addition he brings to the table is his traffic source. So here he says, if you are just starting with affiliate marketing, it can take some time for you to get the hang of it. And this method shows you exactly how to go about it in less time, and you are sure to begin to make some decent amount of commissions. So this is the product creator here, Dan Khan, and like I promised, I said I was going to show you his earnings. And here they are. These are his earnings using this hidden traffic source that he talked about. So these are his earnings, and this here he got on the leaderboard finishing 5th in a product gateway by Travel Car. So you can take the time and go through the sales page for more information on this product. But I tell you, it is a comprehensive, detailed step-by-step training program with some flaws here because it shows you only one traffic source. But in my bonuses, if you pick up this product from me, I'll be showing you how to create your own landing page with a much cheaper method, and then several ways of generating traffic to your offers. So now, why should you get this Affiliate Magician? First and foremost, you will learn easy step-by-step how to do affiliate marketing the right way. with higher degree of success, just as Dan showed us with the successes he has recorded, because the method he is teaching is evergreen, and once you do it well, you are sure to get success. For instance, he shares information on how to identify the most appropriate product to promote and what to look out for when promoting them. Secondly, the courses are structured in such a way that there's something to learn from it, be you a complete newbie or an advanced marketer, although the course is more targeted at newbies. Then thirdly, it simplifies the entire process, thus leaving you with just enough information for what to do to succeed. Although, like I said, some of key information were left out, but with the information he provides and the method, once you follow them, you are sure to achieve the same success that Dan achieved, provided you do the work necessary. And of course, there is a 30 days money back guarantee. If you pick up this product and for any reason you do not like it, you can ask for a refund. But I tell you, at an early bird price of $12.95, you will have no reason to return this product. Now, let me take you over to the sales funnel. If you pick up Affiliate Magician, when the product goes live, you'll be getting it for an early bird price of $12.95. Here you will learn the proper way to do affiliate marketing with high degree of success and how to quickly make money online using simple over-the-shoulder methods. Furthermore, you get to learn a single traffic method that has brought the vendor excellent return on investment through sales. And this will be going for $12.95. Then the OTO 1, which is a My Done For You Magic Paint, will be going for $67. In the OTO 1, the product creator will design done-for-you funnels and email swipes to enable you speed up the entire process. Then you have the OTO 2, which is the license rights. Here, you will get the right to sell Affiliate Magician as your own and make 100% commission across the entire sales funnel, and it will be going for $47. Then the OTO 3, you get a one-on-one coaching with Dan, and it will be going for $147. In this OTO 3, the product creator will have your sales funnel pages set up for you. Furthermore, you'll be having 2 to 3 Skype coaching sessions with him that will ensure that you promote your offers correctly and earn commissions. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the bonus page and click on this button and it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down the sales page and click on this click for instant access button and you have the opportunity to buy this product and get not just the vendor's bonuses but my own special and unique bonuses. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and then like this video so that when next we upload review videos like this, your attention will be drawn to them. Thank you for watching our Affiliate Magician review video to the end. See you in the next.